Discards are placeholder variables that are intentionally used in application code. They are equivalent to unassigned variables and don't have a value. A discard communicates intent to the compiler and others that read your code. You intend to ignore the result of an expression. You may want to ignore the result of an expression, one or more members of a tuple expression, an out parameter to a method, or the target of a pattern matching expression. Discards clarify the intent of your code. They indicate that your code never uses the variable, enhancing readability and maintainability. You can use a standalone discard to indicate that a variable is intentionally ignored. One common use is to assign a value to ensure that an argument isn't null. The following code performs an assignment where only the constructor call is needed, and the class instance is not used. Therefore, the result is discarded.